Hi, Paul Hefty here with the Triangle O football system. I want to go over phase 1 in detail of our deep choice stacking teaching progression, where we go into 4 verts DC style. Let's take a look.
The key to being good at your 4 verts series is how you teach it. We use this drill 25 where you can see on the left, we've got 2 quarterbacks going with the 5 receivers. QB1 on the right has the primary read. He's going to do the rocker. He will then read the backside safety, the goat in the orange, looking for the H or the A on the seams in the bender, to the check down to the Z with the tracer or speed go. The QB2 is in the second phase. He does his rocker, reading the goat, but doesn't like it, so he's going to go right to the X or the dog in the green on the left for the tracer or the go with a check down to the back. While that's going on, O-line works their pass pro with the running back against the different looks and blitzes you'll see that week. So here's your basic 4 verts. The reason we call it a deep choice style is you can see the Z and the X on the outside are going to run their speed go, and then at 10 yards, if they can touch the DB or they've beat him already, they just continue with the go. If they can't touch him, he's dropped off, then he's going to start their breakdown, what I call a cha-cha-cha, and then at 12 yards, turn inside and trace right back down the stem. The A runs the bender read, the H has got a seam on the hash. Quarterback, going to take that mesh rockers forward, reading the goat. You can see circled there in the middle. If he's got the A or the H on the seams, he takes it. If it's not 100%, then he's going to take that shuffle drop step with his right foot if he's right-handed and go right to the X or the Z wherever his eyes have taken him and read the same defender over that receiver for the speed go or the tracer. This is great to run this from what we call a spread stack set. Everything stays the same, but you can see now the Z will burst or spray out to get to the numbers and run his speed go, or what we call a spray go now, or the tracer at 12. X will do the same. Exact same read for the quarterback, goat, rocker, phase 1, looking for the A and the H inside. If not, shuffle step, then looking for the Z or the X on the spray go or tracer.